Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions and sometimes make you laugh along the way. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS440, or, as I like to call it, the Holy Grail. On the right, we have the DRONEEYE F10, lovingly nicknamed the Eye of the Sky. Let's see which one of these foldable flying gadgets is worth your hard-earned cash. Ready? Let's take off. First up, let's talk about the eyes of these sky spies. The Holy Grail boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. Imagine capturing your beach vacation, or your cousin's awkward dance moves in glorious HD from a bird's eye view. It's like having Spielberg in your backpack. On the other hand, the Eye of the Sky also has a 1080p FPV camera. It promises smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. Perfect for capturing those scenic shots or spying on your neighbor's barbecue without them ever knowing. Reviewers say the Holy Grail's camera quality is decent for its price range, while the Eye of the Sky has mixed reviews with some users highlighting poor camera quality. Both drones offer solid camera quality, but Holy Grail's adjustable camera gives it a slight edge. I mean, who doesn't want to play director with their drone? Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay airborne. The Holy Grail offers a sweet airtime of up to 20 minutes. That's enough time to capture your entire neighborhood or make a dramatic escape from a family reunion. The Eye of the Sky, however, doesn't specify its flight time in the description, which feels a bit like going on a blind date. Will it last 5 minutes or 15? Who knows? According to reviews, users praise the Holy Grail for its reliable battery life, while the Eye of the Sky also gets commendations for impressive battery life. In the battle of the batteries, Holy Grail takes the crown. 20 minutes of flight time is nothing to sneeze at, unless you're allergic to awesome. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. The Holy Grail is packed with user-friendly features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The Eye of the Sky, though, is no slouch. It has one-key start, landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and even voice control. Yes, you can talk to your drone. Fly, my pretty fly. Reviewers have found the Holy Grail easy to learn and control, while the Eye of the Sky's voice control feature is a hit among users. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but Eye of the Sky's voice control feature is just too cool to ignore. Who doesn't want to feel like a wizard commanding their flying minion? Now, let's sprinkle some fun into the mix. The Holy Grail offers features like emergency stop and headless mode, making it a solid choice for beginners. Plus, it comes with a carrying case, because who doesn't like to travel in style? The Eye of the Sky ups the ante with 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and even a custom flight path. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. And let's not forget the VR support, because why watch your drone fly when you can feel like you're flying it yourself? Reviewers have mentioned enjoying the fun features of both drones, but the Eye of the Sky stands out with its unique offerings like VR support. In the fun department, the Eye of the Sky is the clear winner. It's basically the drone equivalent of a Swiss watch, packed with features and ready to party. All right, let's talk money. The Holy Grail is priced at $129. Not too shabby for all the features it packs. The Eye of the Sky, however, is a steal at $79. It's like finding a designer jacket at a thrift store. You get all the style without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget, the Eye of the Sky is your new best friend. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for extra flight time and an adjustable camera, the Holy Grail might be worth the extra bucks. Summarizing the reviews. The Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV drone is praised for its durability, ease of use, and fun flying experience, although some users noted issues with the brushed motors and stability in windy conditions. The DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone, on the other hand, has mixed reviews. While it is commended for its battery life and innovative features like voice control, some users found the camera quality lacking and experienced issues with syncing and control. So which drone should you get? If you're looking for long flight time, an adjustable camera, and a carrying case, the Holy Grail is your go-to. But if you want a feature-packed, budget-friendly drone with voice control and VR support, the Eye of the Sky is your guy. Both drones are awesome in their own right, so it really comes down to what you value more. Personally, I might go for the Eye of the Sky just to boss it around with my voice. Fly, my minion, fly. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.